Hello everybody, now I introduce cat ear headphones. Eliminate noise and good sound quality, and when you are listen to the headphone you can pick up the phone call, and you can fold it for when you are traveling on the airplane. Now as the product features, it is have the soft ear pedals, have microphone and actual soft leather ear pedals, and good sound quality deep bass. Now this is the product's ear cat headphone. This is a USB cable and AUX cable, and we have the user's manual also. The ear pad is really soft, so when you touch it, it's very comfortable. And you can, this is the power on button, menu, volume on and volume down. And this is the USB cable, AUX and TF car. The model number is BT028C. So you can use this Bluetooth name to connect with the mobile phone. Now I'm wearing the headphone now. Oh, you can, this cat ear is so cute, and when I listen to the music, the bass quality is good. And I found out it have the radio function also, so you can listen to the FM radio station